have new ideas. We're thinking about making like a kitchen cupboard underneath the station to kind of hide the piping and also to be able to use it for a cleaning supplies or anything that needs to be accessed fairly quickly. It will remove a lot of the under the station space, but overall it still is more functional for the needs of the barber. So I'm making an executive decision. Now that we can start to see how the shop is starting to take some form, okay? Need to decide the best way to not close myself in and still give me enough space. So Avio's gonna be doing some cool stuff today. He's gonna take that DeWalt 2.5 circle and draw it right in that section to make it snug. And then also right in this section to snug around the pipe without damaging the pipes. Avio came to work today. Got that in there already. Looks like it fits. Looks level to me. Is it not? Is it pinching on the top?
What?
That plastic, yes.
No, this is to cover the whole pipe.
So it's to support.
No, suppose it's a cover.
Just to cover. And that's a wrap. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect fit. We're about to do it. It's the last and final piece. Time to play Tetris. Most important step is meeting your neighbors. We're gonna order some pizza from next door. Yo, it's one of them freestyle songs I heard when I was a kid. If it doesn't ever feel like, you know, reminiscing or that I'm at that point in my life where things are really about to pop, have a big feeling. Anyway, this song, I remember hearing it when I was in New York before we moved to Florida, and I was like, yo, this is the shit. And it made me dream. It's only coincidence of God's design that it's actually playing the minute I walk into this place. Guess what? Wow. Job well done. 3 days. Tore down the wall in 3 days, raised it in 3 days. Isn't that biblical? Good pizza, man. Good. What I say? You gotta eat. Okay, so we got 2 different projects going on. I just unwrapped the biggest hot towel machine I've ever seen. He just cornered the sign TV and he is closing it up. So Avio's holes on the side, that way we can wire the surge protectors into that area. Yeah, it's glowing. I like it. Look at how much we've gotten done. Almost the whole shop is done. Dang, crown molding time. This man is the man. He's the man. Dang, felt the air pop out of that. This is day 3. We got a lot done on day 3. Wow. We got the mirrors. We got the new hot towel machine. We got the big TV up. We got the coat hanger up. We got the other signage up. We got the whole station, Bluetooth speakers with the underground setup cabinet. We got that all set up. Day 3.
Classic Barber and Beard Company is for men of distinction, guys that enjoy looking first class. Our location in Lake Mary is one of a kind, and the Classic Barber experience begins the moment you step into our barbershop. Book online at barberbeardco.com.
Good morning. Right now I'm on my way to go meet up with my friend Mike that I haven't seen in more than 5 years. He moved away from Miami to Virginia. Everyone asks me all the time, who has this other tattoo? And that is Mike. So I'm looking forward to spending the day with him and, you know, getting some story feedback on what's going on with that. And then tomorrow night we go back to the shop and we finish up what we got to do. So remember, like, you know, we need time in between. So notice I was at the shop one day and then I'm off and then I go back on again. That is a healthy rhythm especially for studio barbers, and that is because you're stuck in a room all day. It can feel confining. So it is important to give yourself space and give yourself time. This is why a lot of people do what's called suite sharing or studio sharing, because it loosens up the load and the effects mentally of being in a closed room. Anyway, stay tuned for the rest of the day and more fun. Oh snap, it's on. Back of it, it's rolling. It's empty over here. It's hot too. All our Star Wars. Galactic regulations. Bad, right?
It's just an 80, but that's the year the Star Wars movie came out, 1980.
That's right. We got a free drink, but we don't know what it is.
Use the Force.
This is Master Obi-Wan Kenobi. I regret to report that both our Jedi Order and the Republic, with the dark shadow of the Empire rising to take their place.
For your safety, please keep your face covering on at all times.
Inside the Millennium Falcon. Here we are. Do this. Alright, about to go in the cockpit. Let's do this. Here we go.
What's the other door?
You might
This door.
Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia.
I'm ready, co-pilot Mike.
Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Move your stick to fly right.
Go, left.
I was just about to say that. Pilot, push back the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down.
We're gonna go down.
I'm right. Look, here we go.
No. Weapons. Left, pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial.
You're up and down.
Pilot.
There we
Make
go.
the jump to light speed.
Watch out the light speed, buddy.
Packages in. Sure you put it on the right way.
Oh, there we go. Nice and snug in between. All right, here he is.
Budokai it is?
His name is Budokai.
Or
Dragon Ball Z Budokai.
Budokai?
Hey, he's reacting. He likes it. All right, cool. Take a photo of this. Here we go.
If for some reason your Jawa dialect gets criticized by our my fellow gatherers in there, just tell them that I told you the password and they'll understand why you said it the way you did. My Jawa is terrible.
Bam! What? Mama Jamba, the golden dildo. Yes, golden dildo. Oh!
It's locked in.
Bam! The black light.
This is heavy.
So I expect the golden dildo to be.
Whenever you are ready, you're gonna hit that blinking button.
All right, here we go. Activate.